Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the MCQs from Pharmaceutical Chemistry from the chapter Diagnostic Agents. As you all know, diagnostic agents are really very important from the uses point of view. So we are going to see the MCQs one by one which are possible on the diagnostic agents. Now the first question from the diagnostic agent is: compounds which are used to test the functional capacity of kidney are. Now, as you all know, according to the classification of diagnostic agent, they are basically classified into three types. First, they are classified as ROCM, that is radio opaque contrast media. Then second class is compounds used to test the functional capacity of different organs. And third class is compounds modifying the physiological functions. So out of these, the second class, the functional capacity of kidney, who determines the functional capacity of kidney or who tests the functional capacity of kidney? The options are Congo red, indigo carmine, detergent compound, rose bengal. The correct answer is it is indigo carmine. And other agents which are used to test the functional capacity of kidney are, along with indigo carmine, it is aminohippuric acid. Next question is: compounds used to test the functional capacity of liver. Now it is also again included in the second class. The options are Congo red, indigo carmine, detergent compounds and rose bengal. Congo red is a dye which is a miscellaneous agent. Indigo carmine used to test the functional capacity of kidney, which we have seen just now. Detergent compounds modifies the physiological functions of the organ. And the last option is it is rose bengal. The correct answer is it is rose bengal. And other compounds which are used to determine the functional capacity of liver is sulfobromophthalate sodium. Now for this classification, now you will say that how it is possible to remember all these examples, that too very correctly into that perfect class. So for this, if you want a trick how to remember all these examples into that particular respective class, so you can go through the link which I have shared in the description box for the trick to remember the classification of diagnostic agent. In that video, you will get a clear idea, and once you go through that trick and once you learn that or once you by heart that trick, then you will not forget the use of any of the diagnostic agent, and with no confusion you can 100% with surety you can solve the answers, because that trick will help you a lot when it is about to when it is to remember the examples along with the perfect class. Next question is: water soluble radio opaque contrast media is. Now this is the first class, which is radio opaque contrast media, which is further subdivided into water soluble ROCM and water insoluble ROCM, that is radio opaque contrast media. The options are iopanoic acid, iodipamide, propyl iodide and Congo red. Now iopanoic acid, then propyl iodide, this iodipamide, all are ROCMs only. Only the thing is that they are divided into water soluble and water insoluble. The correct answer is, according to the classification, it is iodipamide. And the other option other answer is, along with iodipamide, sodium iodohippurate also is used as a water soluble ROCM. Next question is: dash is used to check the cell viability. Now coming towards the application of the diagnostic agent, to check the cell viability, the basic dye, the primary dye which is used is Evans blue. Then how come it checks the cell viability? Since the Evans blue is having its own characteristic property that it is non-permeating dye. So any membrane damage, the dye will enter and it will stain that particular part of the cell, and this property is in turn used in checking the cell viability. Next question is, so the correct answer is it is Evans blue. Next question is: water soluble radio opaque contrast media is. Now water soluble radio opaque water insoluble. Next question is water insoluble radio opaque contrast media is whether it is Evans blue, iodipamide, propyl iodide or Congo red. Now Congo red is not classified as a ROCM. Iodipamide is a water soluble contrast media, and Evans blue is also not classified under this first class of ROCM. So the correct answer is it is propyl iodide, which is a water insoluble ROCM. Along with propyl iodide, iopanoic acid is also used as a water insoluble radio opaque contrast media. Next question is cerebral angiography deals with dash. Whether it deals with the X-ray examination of lungs, whether it deals with the X-ray examination of brain blood vessel, whether it deals with the X-ray examination of bile duct, or it deals with the X-ray examination of gallbladder. So as you all know, as per the applications of diagnostic agent which you have studied in your theory part, diagnostic agents are basically used in visualization process through the X-ray examination of various specific organs. So since the word cerebral angiography, now plain angiography deals with the examination of blood vessels, both arteries plus veins. So here, since the specific word, that is cerebral angiography, so the correct answer is it is X-ray examination of brain blood vessels, since the word cerebral. Next question is dash is used to access the permeability of blood-brain barrier, BBB. Now again it comes to the application part of the diagnostic agent, like the cell viability part, the blood-brain barrier capacity or permeability can be checked by the dye called as Evans blue. Then how come when this Evans blue is injected IV, it will enter into the bloodstream and it will bind with the plasma protein albumin. Now when it will bind with the plasma protein albumin, and since the complex is a macromolecular complex, that means it is larger in size, so it cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. So this property of Evans blue, on the virtue of this property, we can use this to access the permeability of the blood-brain barrier. So the correct answer is it is Evans blue. Next question is diagnostic agents are. So according to the definition of diagnostic agents are defined as these are the substances generally introduced into the body or specific organ. They are introduced generally intravenously or through the injection route. Then they are used to detect the abnormalities which are present in that respective specific organs or into the body. Then next characteristic property of diagnostic agent is they are not having their own therapeutic value. They are just used in purpose. They are just used for the purpose of diagnosis. They cannot be used in treatment of any disease or disorder since they don't have any therapeutic value. So diagnostic agents are option is not having any therapeutic value. Yes, correct. Not used in the treatment of any disease. Yes, it is correct. It cannot be used in the treatment of disease since it is not having any therapeutic value. Then it detects the abnormality in the body. Yes, it detects the abnormality in the body or specific organs. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Next question is dash ensures the correct fit of hard contact lenses. Whether it is Evans blue, whether it is iodipamide, whether it is fluorescein sodium, or whether it is Congo red. The correct answer is it is fluorescein sodium. Fluorescein sodium is used in fitting the hard contact lenses, and using this diagnostic agent will ensure that correct fit of hard contact lens is then or not. That means they are fitted correctly or not. Next question is dash is used in determining the blood volume in humans. Now again this is the application part like cell viability, blood brain barrier permeability. This function is to determine the blood, or this use is to determine the blood volume in humans. Now again the correct answer is, it is Evans blue. Evans blue, again having on the same property, on the virtue of the same property, that when it is administered IV, it forms a complex with the plasma protein albumin. It forms a macromolecular complex, and when it will leave the circulation at a very slow rate, and intermittently, when the blood volume is determined or the sample is taken intermittently after a gap of or a frequency of the specified time limits, then through the colorimetry one can measure the color intensity in the past volume of the blood, and depending on that color intensity one can determine the blood volume in humans. Then this blood brain barrier capacity also, it is used in case of diagnostic agent, which is Evans blue. Next question is, dash is used for diagnosis of amyloidosis. Now amyloidosis is also known as amyloid disease. For the diagnosis of amyloid disease, the diagnostic agent which is used is, it is Congo red. How? Again it is administered intravenously, and amyloid disease is the condition where amyloid proteins are abnormally deposited in the organ or tissue. So when this dye will be administered intravenously, the serum concentration of the dye is measured. Within 1 hour, the percentage decrease. What is the criteria? In case of normal patient, 10 to 30% of the dye will disappear within 1 hour, and in case of diseased patient, 30 to 100% of the dye will disappear in the 1 hour given time limit. So this percentage decrease property is utilized in diagnosis of amyloidosis, that is amyloid disease. Next question is, urography deals with. Now whether it deals with the X-ray examination of lungs, whether it deals with the X-ray examination of kidney, whether it deals with the X-ray examination of bile duct, or whether it deals with the X-ray examination of gallbladder, the correct answer is, it is X-ray examination of the kidneys, since the word uro. Next question is, dash is used as a ophthalmologic diagnostic agent. Now again coming towards the virtue of the properties, the diagnostic agent, that is fluorescein sodium. The answer for this is fluorescein sodium. Now fluorescein sodium basically deals with all the eye disease conditions. Therefore it is used as ophthalmologic diagnostic agent. It will detect all the diseased cases or related to eye or abraded areas of cornea especially. So it is used in the detection of or diagnosis of corneal ulcers. So by the virtue of this property of this fluorescein sodium, that it stains the abraded areas of the cornea green through its color property. So corneal ulcer percentage can also be determined, as well as along with that it can also be used to detect the foreign bodies which are present in the eye. Why? Because the foreign body also, on the virtue of the property of this fluorescein sodium, that it is having a green color and it is having the capacity to stain. So whatever the foreign bodies will be there, the green ring will appear around the foreign bodies. So this can be used in both these conditions, corneal ulcers as well as detection of foreign bodies, and it is used as a ophthalmologic diagnostic agent. Next question is, dash is used in cholangiography. Now cholangiography is to deal with the X-ray examination of the bile duct. The options are Evans blue, idipamide, fluorescein sodium and Congo red. The correct answer is, it is fluorescein sodium. Fluorescein sodium is also having the role in cholangiography examination or visualization of bile ducts. Then next 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 question is bronchography deals with broncho. Since the word broncho, it is to deal with the lungs. Other options are blood vessels, bile duct and gallbladder. The correct answer is it is X-ray examination of the lungs. Next question is dash is used in cholecystography. Now cholecystography, cholangiography, all the ophthalmic diagnostic agent, all are the conditions which can be diagnosed by the fluorescein sodium. So cholecystography is to deal with the X-ray examination of the gallbladder. So the correct answer is it is fluorescein sodium. Next question is angiography deals with. Now angiography is to deal with the X-ray examination or visualization of which of the specific organ. So angiography is to deal with the blood vessels, arteries as well as veins. So the other options are X-ray examination of lungs, X-ray examination of blood vessels, X-ray examination of bile duct, X-ray examination of gallbladder. The correct answer is it is X-ray examination of blood vessels, angiography, arteries plus veins. Next question is cholecystography deals with. Cholecystography is to deal with the gallbladder. So the correct answer is it is X-ray examination of gallbladder. And cholangiography is bile duct. Next question is dash of the following is not a diagnostic agent. Means which of the following is not used as a diagnostic agent? Congo red, it is a diagnostic agent. Second option is indigo carmine, it is a diagnostic agent. Detergent compound, it is also a diagnostic agent. The correct answer is it is Haldol. Since it's haloperidol, it's a tranquilizer, major tranquilizer, it is not a diagnostic agent. Next question is properties of diagnostic agents are: first, they should have ability to concentrate in the desired organ. Yes, they should have the ability to concentrate in the desired organ for the examination purpose. They should have sufficient radio opacity. Yes, they should have sufficient radio opacity. Then and then only they will be examined by the X-ray examination. Then X-ray should they should have minimum toxicity. Yes, they should have minimum toxicity. Though they are not having any therapeutic value, they should also have the minimum toxicity. Why? Because if they are toxic, they cannot be injected into the body for the diagnostic purpose also. Then last option is all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Next question is compounds modifying physiological functions are. The compounds which modifies physiological functions are, according to the classification, the trick to remember the compounds modifying physiological functions are, it is SOG square. So SOG ka S stands for sunscreen agent, A stands for alcohol, U stands for uricosuric agent, D stands for detergent compound, and G stands for G square hai. So G stands for, first G stands for GIT agents, second G stands for gold compounds. So all these are gold compounds, sunscreen agent, uricosuric agent. All of these are the compounds which modifies the physiological functions. With this, we finish with the few of the MCQs which are possible on the diagnostic agents. Thank you.